Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. What's inside of this AT&T box that I found on the side of my house? No, not the beer, and no, definitely not the banana. And these came out of the inside. That came off of something else, and a magnet. I've already opened it up. I figured I wanted to show you, in case you didn't know. There you go. Absolutely hardly anything. You got a little bit of well, maybe not. I figured that'd be a good show. Phone cable. There we go. And where's the other end? Hold on. Don't give up on me yet. There it is. There it is. You got your telephone cable. You got a bunch of fodder, which is another word I use for bullshit. And plastic box. So we will take the plastic box. If you can see it, over to my plastic receptacle, which seems to do good when getting rid of the plastic I have in the yard. I can only find one for my glass. And that's for today. There might not be very much glass left. I am tired of dropping glass beer bottles out of the fridge and on the floor. So there it is. That's all there is to that AT&T box. Let's go back. Yes, I'm cleaning out the basement too. The fiberglass, aka plastic glass insulation. They change everybody's looking at it. Welcome to America. But I digress. Here we go. We've got a little pile of, again, fodder. Plastic, possibly brass. I'll check it out with my magnet, wherever it went. Where'd it go? I know it's under the banana. Nope, not under the banana. I had it a minute ago, but there you go. AT&T plastic box on the side of my house. Absolutely nothing in it other than a little bit of, there's magnet. You are a Biden idiot. But I digress. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. I seem to be going this way. Yes, there you go. There you go, Joe Biden, you're an idiot. I said it. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.